さあ今回は原宿にやってきました。原宿で声かけ、そしてストリートフォト撮っていこうと思います。結構原宿やっぱおしゃれな方が多いので、あとは写真 OK な方がいたらいいなっていうふうに思いますね。Do you want to take a photo? I can take it with your phone. Couple photo.
You look like a professional, so
Yeah.
I'll say yes. Thanks.
All right. 3, 2, 1. Okay, one more. 3, 2, 1.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thanks a
Bye
lot.
bye. Excuse me? I'm Japanese photographer. If you're okay, I want to take your portrait street photo. Just 1 or 2 shots. It's okay?
No.
No? Okay. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Oh, good. One more. 3, 2, 1. Okay. And please look at them. Yeah. Oh, nice. Oh, perfect. Thanks so much. I should.
Perfect. Can I
Yeah,
have
nice.
your Instagram?
Ah, yes.
Yeah, that is one.
Okay, thanks so much.
Arigato.
Yeah, arigato. Excuse me? I'm a Japanese photographer, and I take a video for my YouTube. So if you're okay, I won't take your street photo, 1 or 2 shot.
What? Yeah? Should I
It's
say?
you, okay?
Yeah?
Okay, thanks so much. I like your hat.
You like my
Yeah. Oh, good. I like this. Okay.
Should I put my jacket on?
You live in Tokyo?
I live in New York.
Travel in Tokyo.
Yeah, just traveling, visiting.
Ah, good, good. Yeah, nice. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Like this. I try one more.
Yeah, cool.
Okay.
You put it on YouTube or?
YouTube and Instagram.
Do you need my Instagram?
Ah, yes. And I can send your photo.
Okay, cute.
And
N. That's me.
it's you.
Oh wait, no, back. That's me.
Are you model?
Huh?
Are you model?
No.
No?
Musician.
Wow. But many followers.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, thanks so much. Enjoy Tokyo. Excuse me? I'm a Japanese photographer, and I'm taking video for my YouTube. So if you're okay, I won't take your street photo, 1 or 2 shots.
Yes, sure.
It's okay?
Yes.
Thank you. Please give me 1 minute.
Yeah.
Do you speak Japanese? Okay. じゃあどこで撮ろうかな。How about here? Please sit like this, and then I take from here.「どのぐらい東京に住んでますか？」1ヶ月。おお。まだ来たばっかり。Alright. And please look that. Okay. 3, 2. One more. 3, 2. Like this. One more try. And next look at here. Okay. 3, 2. Oh, beautiful. Yeah, nice morning. Yeah, thanks so much.
Do you have an Instagram?
Yes, sure. So I can send you a photo.
Yeah.
I can type your name.
Yes. So
You like anime? Yeah, yeah. Yeah, thanks so much.
Thank you very
Yeah,
much.
Bye.
Have a nice